guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. I am actually getting ready to go on a date with my husband. I'm wearing this pretty little white dress. I want to do a French twist, so I thought that I would film it. Super easy to do. You could do it with or without extensions. I want to do it with extensions because I want a lot of hair. The extensions that I'm using, I'm going to have them linked down below. Let's get started. I'm going to start by brushing my hair out with my favorite detangler brush, which I will also have linked down below. So I'm just going to brush my hair through and then I'm going to start this hairstyle. It's going to take me probably like a minute or two to do this. It is so easy. So I'm going to start by gathering my hair, and then I'm going to take 2 fingers and put it over the hair that I gathered, twist my hair around it, and then continue twisting it upwards. Then I'm going to just take these loose little ends and tuck them in. Starting from the bottom, I'm just going to take a French pin and stick it in, just like this, and then just keep going. When I get to this top loop right here, I'm just going to take a French pin and kind of just stick it right in the middle and push it down. Pull a couple pieces out, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you guys are going to try this hairstyle out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!